Hey, hello. How are you doing?
Well, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. So this is Sena from Estenove. I'm from influencer marketing team,
Hi.
and thank you so much for accepting this interview today with us.
Sure. Glad to.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Very good. Thank you.
So I'll start with some questions first. I will ask you some questions about your journey, your experience with us, and I would like to start with your journey, actually, how you decided to have this hair transplant and why you decided to come here to Turkey and what made you choose Estenove.
Yeah, I started receding probably even as early as 10 years ago and tried a bunch of different things, sort of anywhere from, Rogaine or even sort of vitamins and things, and nothing really seemed to work for me. And a friend of mine who I actually went to Turkey with, who had his hair done as well, mentioned this great place in Turkey, Estenove, and we started doing some research together about 6 months before we actually went to Istanbul and talked to people who'd done it and looked online and did a lot of research. And it was just an overwhelming confidence booster for Estenove as well, that it was the best place to go. So, um, yeah, we decided to pull the trigger and booked it. And of course, I was nervous, but it was one of the best things I've ever done.
Was there any reason why you chose Turkey for this?
I mean, obviously, cost is a big one, right?
Of course.
Cost of the procedure. I live in New York City, and I priced it here. A friend of mine actually did it in New York City, and it was about, I don't know, five, six times more expensive, if not more. And I also think, in addition to cost, the I guess the doctors and the technicians in Turkey are really the best for this. By all counts, they're doing it multiple times a day, all year long, and it's a niche for this sort of thing. And Turkey's really the leading, I guess, destination for it. So a long way to travel, but again, worth it.
Yeah, exactly. It's been 1.5 years almost, right?
It's been just about a year and a half. Yeah, I did it in November of 2023.
I saw your before pictures and the hairline. Now I see it and it looks amazing. It really looks amazing.
I'm very happy, very happy. I get compliments all the time. And it's also, you get a self-confidence boost from just looking in the mirror every day. It's really good.
Yeah, exactly. Have you ever noticed any changes when it comes to your confidence, like how you mentioned, or um,
Sure.
like
Yeah,
how
you
it's affecting you?
you do feel, I don't know, you just feel, certainly I feel like I've taken some years off the clock when I look at, sometimes I'll look at pictures of myself from, 2, 3 years ago before the procedure, and definitely looked older than I do now. It's like it reversed some aging for me. And I just feel good when when I go out and I look in the mirror and I see a full head of hair. It's really it's an esteem booster for me. Um,
I
yeah.
see that the front line is also like it's thicker than before your before
It's,
pictures, and it's like it's giving you the structure of your face, and it looks
right.
really amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm wildly impressed and happy with it.
So as you know, like hair transplant is a journey. It's not just you coming here, having the hair transplant, and then suddenly everything is done. It's a journey. It takes some time. When you're here and when you're back to New York, what was the most challenging thing for you? And also, we have an aftercare, as you know, we do the follow-up, and how this aftercare team help you through this process.
Yeah, I mean, of course, when you come back, you're very nervous about damaging any of the follicles that are new. I mean, you fly to Turkey, you want to do everything in your power to make sure everything is going to stay in place and stay healthy and grow. So of course I was nervous about that and how I was sleeping and how I was washing it. But the care team was very specific in their directions to how to do that. And people were checking in with me on WhatsApp on a regular basis. I would send pictures to make sure that I was doing something right. So I did feel like I had the right guidance. I benefited from having a friend who went with me who did it the same day I did, and he lives here in New York as well. So we both kind of had that journey together a little bit, so we could kind of console one another. But it was, of course, I think looking back on it, I was probably more conservative in how I treated it than maybe I had to be. But you just want to be careful with the post op kind of head. So, but the care team was great from the really from the day we walked into the clinic, and then months after. It was always a very thorough and conscious kind of process.
I'm so happy to hear that. And now we can see the actual results, and it's really, really amazing. Do you have anything you want to say who's planning to get a hair transplant or anything?
Do it, do it, do it, do it. And I've told lots of people, many of whom are coming to you. You think, gosh, I'm flying across the world for something. I don't know how this is going to play out. And like I said, it was the best decision I've made for myself. I'm super happy with the outcome. And if you're even thinking about it for a minute, just go and do it. It's really, really worth it. Um,
About the
and
people around you, how did they react? You're flying to Turkey from US and it's really far. Probably they're giving like we heard that they're giving some reactions like, have you lost your mind? You're going to Turkey and you're gonna get an operation. Like, have you ever received anything like that?
initially, I did. People thought, why are you doing that? Why are you going there? Why don't you do it here? And I think when I got back and people started seeing the results and they
Oh,
started seeing,
jealous.
they were jealous, and I think they realized, wow, that really was the right decision. And so, of course, now friends of mine, even some family members, are going over as well because they see how good the outcome is. So, um, yeah, I was very glad I did it.
We're so happy to see your results and thank you so much for accepting this interview.
Sure.
It was really, really helpful for us. I actually am done with my questions, but if you have any questions, you can also ask them to me. I'll gladly answer everything.
Great. I'm all set. Thank you so much for your time, and good to see you.
Thank you so much. If you need anything, of course, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our aftercare team, all of our team will always help you with everything.
Thank you. Great. Have a nice weekend. Take
Have a nice
care.
day. See ya.
Bye. Bye.